Hey guys, behind me, two houses. It's called a double flipped, one on the right, one on the left. Let's take a look. Starting off with the ground floor, it's always about creating a value add. And as soon as you do that, you automatically make money. Both of these houses have got a side return extension. We've also come out and we're now doing a full internal refurbishment. Let me show you inside. The original house came up to this point here, which is where you can see the original wall. And all of this space, we've got some foundations here. We're going to have some bifolding doors here that look onto the garden, and then we've got a side return extension. The original house came up to this beam here, and all of this section was part of the garden. But what we're going to do now is we're going to have a glass that comes across here, and then all of this space becomes part of your kitchen diner. We've also got a cellar downstairs, and we're going to utilize that space and turn it into a utility room. Utilizing every space that you can create an extra zone is so important. And originally the head height in here was not possible. Floors were here, we've dug them down, gone into the buckets, out they go, and we've now got the head height. We're working on the plumbing that will go out to the sewers, and then they'll have a DPC and a concrete slab will go on, and then we'll be able to skim this up and turn this into a super space. This is the hallway as you enter the house. So what we've got is a nice long hallway, staircase going upstairs. In this section here, we're going to have a piece of glass that actually shows you all the way into the sunken kitchen and lounge. And on the left hand side here, we're going to have some sliding doors, which we call pocket doors, that takes us into this lounge. Once you're in this lounge, it's going to be architecturally designed. We're going to have a sunken kitchen that you can look down into. A steel here, a cranked steel here, a piece of glass that goes over there, and then we'll have a banister here you can lean over. This will be an air well, and then you can look into your sunken kitchen. And then the finishes in here is going to be modern, and they're going to have some period features too. Let's take a look upstairs. Behind me, we've got bedroom one that faces the garden. On the right hand side, we've got a family bathroom, and upstairs we've got a master bedroom with a vaulted ceiling. If you go up these stairs, it takes you into the second bedroom. But before we do that, let's have a look at the master bedroom. To speed up the work, the wood floors have already been installed and are protected. The wardrobes have gone in and they're spray painted, and then we've got all of these light fittings, sockets and everything already in place. Ensuite bathroom, and what you can see here is some pocket doors. Next door's already being tiled. Let's take a look at that. So in this one, we're starting the tiles, and we've got these large ceramic tiles which are bought from a company called Mandarin Stone. We're going to have a piece of glass here. That's the shower. We've got a lovely niche here with this lovely gold trim. Opposite us, we're going to have a double basin, which is going to be a bespoke double basin. We've got some wall mounted taps, and then we'll have a big bath here just underneath the window, and then this will be painted. We're working in tandem with next door, and the bedrooms are going to be showing you how we work hand in hand for efficiency and to save time and cost. Master bedroom, we're also waiting for some new wood sash windows. So directly above me, what we have is an extra height ceiling, which is what we call a vaulted ceiling. Now normally this space would be dedicated to the loft and the under eaves storage, but we've incorporated it into this room, and it gives the feeling of space. Also what we'll have is a nice chandelier that comes down here, a bed behind us, fitted wardrobes, ensuite, and it gives the owners the feeling of something special which you would normally get in a £2 million plus property in prime central areas like Chelsea and Fulham. Coming upstairs to the second half landing, and what we have behind me is another bedroom, and upstairs is a new loft and a shower room. Both of these bedrooms can use a shower room, so you've got to start thinking about how you're going to use the space. This space was not here. It's a new bedroom that's being created as part of the value add, and it's called an outrigger. Let me show you outside. So this brickwork here, this is all new space, and the room that we were just in, and this is called an outrigger. Next door, what you'll notice is that brickwork there, that's a new extension which is on the outside. Upstairs on the grey roof, that's a loft, but this brickwork here, which has got this terrace, is called an outrig extension, which is quite difficult and also adds cost, but it's got to make sense with the end numbers. Next door have got a terrace which is unofficial, but they've got established use because it's been there for over 4 years. The laws changed now, it needs to be there for more than 10 years, On ours, what we have is a flat roof. We can't use this as a roof terrace, and it will just be turfed, and it'll be a nice view from inside these rooms. Outrigger room 1 is coloured in a skimming stone. We don't want both houses to look the same, and this one's done in a really nice pink. Moving to the top floor, this is new value add, planning permission approved, and this is how you make money. 1 bedroom, which is the 4th bedroom. Behind me, we've got a shower room that we can utilise by this room and the one below. Loft room 1, painted in a blue, and what we've got is we've got the fitted wardrobe. We're going to have a desk solution here. We're going to have some shelves here, so you've got to think about the end users. This is going to be a child's room. What do they need? They need a bed, they need a storage, and they need a desk. That's going to be an important consideration for the parent. Same space, mirror image next door. This one's in a pastel green. Which one did you prefer? The blue or the green? Or the pink or the beige in the rooms below. What I like here also is these nickel fittings here. We've got some wood windows here that have been installed. We're going to have 2 light fittings here, a bed here that gives you the whole length of the room, and then outside here, that space there, that door leads you into a shower room. Let's have a look. So I'm standing in the shower. This piece of glass is going to have a frosted film placed on it for privacy, and then we've got a wet floor here, and then we're going to have some super fittings here that gives it that modern and feeling of quality once you're having a power shower. On the right hand side here, we're going to have a basin. Once you're in the basin, you've got the extra head height here because of this window. We've got a toilet there. We've got some underfloor heating, and the selection of tiles and the color is going to be super important, so you've got to get that right. Trying to be creative with all of the space, it's important, because every space you want somebody to go into should be a wow factor. This hallway, we could have left it plain and dull, so we spent a little bit more money. We've got a piece of glass there that brings in some natural light on a summer's day. Lovely blue sky is going to be a wow factor, and then we've got that window there that once again gives them a nice view and brings them some natural light. That's it. 2 houses, double flip, all going smoothly. Hope you picked up some tips and follow this one all the way, because it's going to be super special. See you soon. Take care. Bye.